equities. And so this is the part of the show where we like to get AJ's pick of the week. And so, AJ, for this week, you've got a swing trade in mind. And this is a name that I think many of us are familiar with. Verizon, ticker symbol VZ. What are you seeing? How are you feeling? What's the setup?
Well, okay, so Verizon. So like I said earlier in the show when I was wetting people's palates, I dusted off some of my swing trading strategies. My swings trading, yeah, I guess we could call it a strategy where I look for a couple of things to line up. And again, the whole theory behind a swing trade is that you've got this trend going. And then something kind of bucks the trend temporarily, but because you've got so many investors really like bought into that trend, that if you look for those pullbacks, you could take advantage of the swing back up to the trade. That's why it's called a swing trade. And so I'm showing Verizon here. Now, I saw, I'm looking at these light green bars. So I saw a couple of indicators, and I want to just preface to everybody, I am a tried and true end of day trader. That means that I'm not there during the trading session. What I do is after the market is closed, I look for signals. If I see those signals, then I will either, number one, be in the market the next trading day looking to see that those signals get follow through, that a couple of things click off the check boxes and I place the trade. Or in the mid 2000s, I realized my trading day was, something that I wanted to do other stuff on instead of sit in front of the computer screen for the 6.5 hours that the market's open looking for follow through. So I actually started to outsource it and hire other people to do that for me and either place the trade or not place the trade so long as those follow through check marks were off. And then more recently, like in the last 5 to 6 years, with all of these platforms allowing you to program in automation, conditional and contingent trading, I've taken the outsourcing back, and in the evenings, I just set up conditional trading. So I set orders that are conditional based on making sure those boxes are checked off. And then every end of the day, I just see if my trades went through or not, if those conditions were met and the automatic trader placed the trade and my order was filled. So with that said, these arrows shown by my free indicator are all end of day signals. When you look through and you actually see whether or not you got follow through, I got follow through a couple times, and I actually placed a little bit of some trades on Verizon, just a small modicum of swing trades. And so when I'm doing a swing trade, I actually look for this pattern to show up. So I look for my confirming indicator, but before my confirming indicator, I like to look up a leading indicator, and I use that Williams percent R. And I also like to make sure that there's at least, a 3-month or 2-month trend building so that I know that there's investors who have bought into that trend. And so I got those end of day signals, but I really didn't get the follow through until about, the end of the year of 2023 into the beginning. So I placed just some fun money at it.